How to install decomposed granite using Classic Coatings Liquid Rock. Our liquid hardener designed to strengthen and stabilize decomposed granite surfaces. Perfect for patios, walkways, parks, and trails. Start by pouring out your decomposed granite into piles and raking it evenly across the surface. We recommend installing the DG about a ½ inch higher than your final desired height to allow for compaction. Make sure to create a slight pitch so water can properly drain off the surface. Next, grate out the area to create a smooth, even foundation. Now we're screeding the surface, using a long board to level everything out and create a clean, uniform finish before compaction. After leveling the foundation, lightly mist the surface with water. Then compact the area using a vibratory plate. For edges and detailed areas, use a hand tamper to tighten everything up and get those clean finishing details. Now it's time to apply liquid rock. To mix, use 4 parts water to 1 part liquid rock. 1 gallon of liquid rock yields 5 gallons of ready-to-use material. Pour the mixture into a watering can or flower pot and evenly saturate the surface at a rate of approximately 10 to 12 square feet per gallon. Once applied, compact the surface one more time. And that's it. Now let it dry. Drying time is approximately 48 hours. Do not allow water on the surface during that time. The surface is walkable after 24 hours as long as it appears dry and uniform.